I normally put like the in the beginning. You gon' wait on it.
Stop playing with him. Davinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so glad I got him twerking with me.
So this is the crochet hair we will be using. We're only gonna use one pack. Some fabulousness. My braids are pretty salty. It's been about a week, but I have a full video on how I keep my hair healthy, moisturized, and how I braid down my hair for my crochet hairstyles for flatter wigs. This is gonna be universal for all of that. So the hair just comes packaged like this. All we're gonna do is literally where my fingers are, just cut it in half. And then this is gonna be our crochet. So we're gonna have some short crochet all over our head, okay? When I get closer to the top and the sides, I can give you more of a tutorial if you don't know, but I have so many crochet hair tutorials now, it's kind of cool. But I was at my local beauty supply. As you guys can see, they have so many options. I was so shocked and amazed. Like what? And then I was with Gavin and I couldn't believe that they had a 3-pack and they had a different style 3-packs. So if you want to see me do some more crochet braids, leave it in the comment sections, or if you have a specific like crochet braid style you want me to try, let me know. I'm so down. It's so much fun and they're so cheap. So this whole hairdo was $15, okay?
Yeah. No, they have different kinds. I have options, literally, I have options.
So we're gonna make it do what it do. I'm just kind of debating now if I wanna wear it in the middle part, like, you know, or if I want it to be like front bangs, almost like just complete natural hair goes. Yeah, we're gonna shape it and cut some of this off, and I'm gonna definitely show you guys how I do all that, because I be hating when they come back with their perfect hair and I'm like, you were supposed to show me how to do it so I could be looking bomb too. And the summer's around the corner, so it's literally lit. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. This is how the strand comes because I cut it in half. So it's no longer really crochet, it's just a piece of hair. And what I'm doing is literally just folding it in half, conjuring it together on my finger, and then putting the crochet needle through my hair because this is the easiest method for me. Placing that hair on there, I can't even see what's going on. Stevie Wonder in the game. Stevie Wonder in a crochet game, bitch. That could be a hit. But oh, and I've got planet Mars and Jupiter on my face. Ooh, I don't know why. Gavin always is like, whenever I'm just so mean sometimes I'm mean to Gavin, but he's like, oh, your period is coming. And I'm like, well, good thing you know. I don't keep track of this thing. Find you a man, that's relationship goals. Find you a man who's gonna track your period for you. I love it. I felt like it was Snapchat just now. Okay, let's keep going. So we're gonna need some, I feel like in this area, and really just take your fingers and feel around. Like I told you, my Gavin over here, he just said, put it all over your head. And I'm like, I don't think you understand the question. It's the fact that I can't see. So are my braids showing? So just take your fingers and kind of feel around, because you can feel where you need some hair. I felt right here, and we need some hair in this area. Oh, he forgot to feed the dogs. I haven't gotten fed. I'm hungry too. He laughed. Told you guys to get you a Gavin, but you need to get you a Jesus. Jesus can only answer my prayers right now. Oh, Jesus. Don't know what's gonna happen, so you're gonna have to stay tuned and see the transformation. I normally put like the in the beginning. You gon' wait on it. Don't you dare skip over. Girl, stop playing with him. I'm so glad I got him twerking. Would you guys come to a Davinci concert? It would be so lit. That's what I know. So we're on our last pack of hair. So now it's time to start making miracles happen. Yeah, we could do this. I think we can do it because the purpose is to do it with this. Because Gavin was like, if anything, people can afford $15 hair. You know? So I'm gonna just start closer to the front. Let me not move so fast. This is not a race. Thicker pieces. We could either spread the thicker pieces out low key because they're already pretty spread apart. Yeah, that was kind of thick, that box. So for the thicker ones, I'm gonna put these in the back area. So just start spreading them like, you know, we could see if we could try to just split a few of them. Not all of them. I'm not saying go in and split all of them. You don't gotta do all that. Just a few. And I would actually recommend you put the hook through the braid, not like inside of it, but like through the braid. Just in case your braid isn't really secure, at least it will be secured to some hair, low key. So this is what it looks like so far. We only have a little bit of hair left, but sure we'll be fine. It's super light. I think I'm gonna just chop it. It's gonna be super short. This is how much hair we have left. Okay, so it's definitely easier to do the front first, especially when you're running out of hair. Looking how to stretch hair in the case of a surplus. So before I freak out about not having any more hair, I'm gonna like style and cut the hair how I desire, because sometimes I have a little bit of fall down pieces or like leftovers, and I like to put those leftovers as filler inners just so it's even more natural. We're at our last 3 thick strands, well 2, so we're not gonna freak out just yet. We've got, you know, a few more rows to fix, but what I do feel is a lot of hair at the back, like, you know, and I'm gonna wanna cut it at an angle, so I really don't need this much hair down here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out a few pieces from the back. So I'm normally here for like bigger hair, guys. Just so you're aware if you're new to my channel. This is your first time checking it out. I'm normally here for big, wild, bold hair. Today, we're not really big and wild. We are pretty bold for anyone who, you know, is not into this, but we're just kind of cutting it just so it could look a bit more.
Face on, oh yes, booty on, goddamn. Girl, the way you moving make a nigga wanna slow down, skip that. Get to the room and straight poking. Little shorty soaking from the
And then another thing we could do,
slacking while you sleeping. I'ma give them what they need, then they feed it.
the only thing I could do now is kind of finger curl it a bit more. Not finger curl it, but make it a little poofier, so how I like it. I normally like my...
It looks like it's your natural hair.
I normally like my hair a bit fuller.
Yeah, school shit.
So it's almost just like carefree, lackadaisical. I didn't, I didn't slick down my edges, but this is one pack. Cut it in half. I definitely ran out of hair, so this is how I'll be wearing my hair, kind of like just, oh wow, she's got cute hair, you know? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. I don't know, I just always wanted to see people do that when they had their crochet hair. You know, like I just be wanting to see all the possibilities. But yeah, if you have like some cute baby hairs, you could just swoosh them. Not even cute, but you know, baby hairs, you could swoosh them down. Be careful of anything that just may try to slip out. Just slip it back into place. You're not gonna have a problem. But yeah, it would look cooler if I like slick my baby hairs down. You really wouldn't see the indentation from, you know, hair to baby hair. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Got 'em asking questions, I'm designing to the fitting. If you want me at your party, man, just text me that it's lit. Oh, bad bitches only in my section. Bitches only, and that's a lesson.